Formulas that treat phlegm. Urchin tongue, 2-aged herb decoction. All ingredients: jibansha 15 grams, juhong 15 grams, phuling 9 grams, jigansao 4.5 grams. Dries dampness, transforms phlegm, regulates the qi, and harmonizes the middle burner. Indications are coughing with copious white sputum that is easily expectorated, focal distension, a stifling sensation in the chest and diaphragm, palpitations, nausea, vomiting, dizziness. Tongue is white, moist, greasy coating, and pulse is slippery. Use this formula for the following Western medical illnesses, but not limited to these: upper respiratory tract infections, chronic bronchitis, emphysema, goiter, chronic gastritis, peptic ulcers, morning sickness, Meniere's disease. Some modifications are: for damp heat in the lower burner, add Kushin and Huangbai and Huaxi. For damp heat in the middle burner, add Huanglian or Hopu or Hoshuang or Iiren. For damp heat in the upper burner, add Huangqin, Jitsi or Qingren or Jigang. Other modifications: for cough with copious sputum, add Zisuye or Qingren, or Ma Huang or Qingren. For vomiting due to cold in the stomach, add Ganjiang or Shaoren. For vomiting of clear fluids, add Kangju or Baiju. For chronic phlegm in the channels and flesh leading to rubbery nodules, add Muli, Xuanshen, Kunbu, or Haidai. For spleen and kidney yang deficiency, add Rogui and Futsi. For insomnia with a desire to sleep after meals, add Baiju and Shi Gangpu. For phlegm damp obstructing the womb, add Chuanshong and Dangui. Wendantang, or warm the gallbladder decoction. All ingredients: Zhuru 6 grams, Jishi 6 grams, Jibansha 6 grams, Chenpi 9 grams, Phuling 4.5 grams, Jigansao 3 grams. Regulates the qi, transforms phlegm, clears the gallbladder, and harmonizes the stomach. The indications are dizziness and vertigo, nausea and vomiting, insomnia with dream-disturbed sleep, strange or weird dreams, heart palpitations, anxiety, and a constant gnawing hunger, seizures, focal distension of the chest, bitter taste in the mouth, slight thirst. The tongue has a yellow, greasy coating. The pulse is rapid and slippery or wiry. The symptoms are a disharmony between gallbladder and stomach, with phlegm heat obstructing the qi dynamic. Because of the gallbladder involvement, it's a key symptom, or an important symptom, is the bitter taste in the mouth and the yellow greasy tongue coating. Also important symptom is copious sputum with focal distension of the chest. Some Western medical illnesses that correspond to this formula are some cardiovascular diseases such as hypertension, angina, myocarditis, premature atricular contractions, and pericarditis. digestive disorders such as chronic gastritis, peptic ulcers, cholecystitis, morning sickness, chronic hepatitis, respiratory disorders, asthma, chronic bronchitis, and other disorders such as depression, severe insomnia, early stage schizophrenia, psychosis, autonomic dystonia, and sequelae of stroke. Can also be used for tinnitus, Meniere's disease, and male menopause. Some modifications are for more severe vertigo, add Bai Xiao and Dai Jie Shi and Huang Qin. For the insomnia, add Hu Po and Xuan Cao Ren and Mu Li. In case of a dry mouth and tongue, remove Ji Ban Xia and add Mai Men Dong and Tian Hua Fen. For tinnitus and hearing loss, add Chai Hu, Go Teng, Ju Hua, Shi Chang Pu, and Tong Sao. For more severe insomnia due to heart and gallbladder deficiency, add Ren Shen, Shi Gao, Mai Men Dong, Long Yan Ru, and Xuan Cao Ren. Qing Qi Hua Tan Wan. Clear the qi and transform phlegm pill. All ingredients: Dan Nan Qing 45 grams, Ji Ban Xia 45 grams, Gua Lo Ren 30 grams, Huang Qin 30 grams, Chen Pi 30 grams, Qing Ren 30 grams, Ji Shi 30 grams, Fu Ling 30 grams. Grind the ingredients into a powder and form into pills with ginger juice. Take 6 to 9 grams twice a day. If used or prepared as a decoction, reduce in proportion the dosage. Clears the heat, transforms phlegm, directs rebellious qi downward, and stops coughing. The indications are coughing up yellow sputum that is difficult to expectorate, focal distension, a feeling of fullness in the chest, nausea. The tongue is red with a greasy yellow coating. The pulse is slippery and rapid. This formula can be used for the following Western medical illnesses: pneumonia, acute exacerbation of chronic bronchitis, and bronchiectasis. Some modifications are for a high fever, add Shigao and Jimu. For copious sputum, add Yu Xing Sao and Qian Hua Fen. For more severe heat, add Qing Dai and Ge Xiao. For nausea and vomiting, replace Gualo with Juru. For heart palpitations and insomnia, add Hopu, Muli, and Xuan Cao Ren. Bei Mu Gualo San. Fritillaria and Trichosanthus fruit powder. All ingredients: Bei Mu 4.5 grams, Gualo 3 grams, Tian Hua Fen 2.4 grams, Fu Ling 2.4 grams, Ju Huang 2.4 grams, Zhegang 2.4 grams. Moistens the lungs, clears heat, regulates qi, and transforms phlegm. The indications are a cough with a sputum that is difficult to expectorate, wheezing, dry and sore throat, tongue is red and dry with a white coating, pulse is rapid and thin, or strong or slippery. The cause is dryness in the lungs that injures the fluids and causes phlegm, or otherwise known as phlegm dryness. This formula is contraindicated in cough due to yin deficiency. You can use this formula for the following Western medical illnesses, but not limited to these: pneumonia and pulmonary tuberculosis. Some modifications are: for severe coughing and wheezing, add qingren and pipaye and kongdonghua. For hoarseness and blood-streaked sputum, remove juhong and add sha-shen and maimendong and lugan and qianhesao. For more severe dryness and sore throat, add xuanshen and maimendong and jimu. Bansha Baiju Tianma Tang, Pinellia white atractylotis and gastrodia decoction. All ingredients: Ji Bansha 4.5 grams, Tianma 3 grams, Baiju 9 grams, Ju Huang 3 grams, Fuling 3 grams, Gansao 1.5 grams, Shengjiang 1 slice, Dacao 2 pieces. Strengthens the spleen, dispels dampness, transforms phlegm, and extinguishes wind. The indications are dizziness, vertigo, possible severe vertigo, headache, a stifling sensation in the chest, nausea, vomiting, copious sputum. The tongue is white and greasy coating, pulse is wiry or slippery. The indications are caused by spleen and stomach injury, and the TNT function is disrupted. This formula is contraindicated in vertigo from liver yang rising and for vertigo from blood deficiency. Some Western medical illnesses where this formula can be applied include, but are not limited to, Meniere's disease, hypertension, tubercular meningitis, benign positional vertigo. Some modifications are: for a severe headache, add manjingzi. For more severe vertigo, add baijiangkan and danangqing. For liver yang rising, add goteng and daizheshi. For more phlegm damp, add zixie and guizhi. For tubercular meningitis, add chuanxie and dilong and baijiangkan. Ji Su Sun, stop the coughing powder. All ingredients: Zhegang 960 grams, Jingjie 960 grams, Tsiwan 960 grams, Baibu 960 grams, Baichen 960 grams, Gansao 360 grams, Chen Pi 480 grams. Grind the ingredients into a powder and take 9 grams after meals and before bedtime. Stops coughing, transforms phlegm, disperses the exterior, and descends the lung qi. The indications are coughing with or without chills and fever, an itchy throat, phlegm that is difficult to expectorate. Tongue coating is thin and white. The pulse is moderate and floating. This formula treats cough that occurs after a wind cold. The pathogen is largely gone, but the cough is lingering. Some cautions and contraindications. Do not use this formula for cough associated with yin deficiency. Do not use for coughs due to heat in the lungs. This formula can be applied towards the following Western medical illnesses: upper respiratory tract infection, chronic bronchitis, pertussis, acute bronchitis, early stages of viral and mycoplasmic pneumonia. Some modifications are for headaches and stuffy nose. Add feng feng, si su ye, and sheng zheng. For thirst, irritability, dark urine, add huang lian, huang qin, and qian hua fen. For thick and sticky sputing from dampness, add ji ban xia, fu ling, and sang bai pi, and sheng zheng, and dat sao. For a sore throat and painful eyes and severe fever and more chills, add ju hua and sang ye and bo he and huang qin. For more copious sputum and loss of appetite, take with urchin tongue.